Welcome back to another tutorial video on CapCut. Today we're going to learn how to smoothly fade in and fade out background music. So let's get started. Open up CapCut and import, and add the background music you want to edit onto the track. The first way to fade in and fade out your background music is to cut the background music where you want the fading to begin. Next, click on the background music on the left side. Then go to the audio settings in the upper right corner of the screen. Use only the fade in and fade out options. For this first audio, all you need to do is increase the fade out. It's up to you how much fade out you want. Next is for the background music on the right side. Click the audio. However, this time you are going to increase the fade in. You can choose to make the fade in and fade out the same or not. It is up to you to decide. Here's the result. For the second way, we are going to use keyframe. To do that, place the white line where you want the fade out to begin, and then add the keyframe. For those who still do not know where the keyframe is, at the upper right side of the screen you will notice the diamond symbol. When you place your mouse there, the word keyframe will appear. To add one, just click on it. When it changes its color to blue, it means it has already been added where the white line is on your audio. Now you need 4 keyframes in your audio. Place the first 2 keyframes close together to determine the fade-out time of your audio. Then place the 3rd and 4th keyframes where you want the fade-in to begin. Next, select the 2nd keyframe and then decrease the volume at the upper right side of the screen. You can use the slider or simply type in the desired amount. Next, select the 3rd keyframe and once again decrease the volume. As you can see, the volume is not completely removed like in the first one we did because this time we didn't cut the audio, we just decreased the sound. However, you can also remove the sound before and after the 2nd and 3rd keyframes by simply muting the audio of the 2nd and 3rd keyframes. Here's the result. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.